Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of this amazing tattoo I did for Darren, inspired by Tibetan art. I will show you the entire freehand process. I also managed to take some fun shots from the tattooing session, featuring some crispy lines with the 18 round liner, so stick around, mate. One more thing, this is what I used as a reference. The Encyclopedia of Tibetan Symbols and Motifs by Robert Beer. Over 2,500 illustrations, so if you are a tattoo artist, this is must-have. The man himself, he spent over 30 years studying and practicing Tibetan art. Look at these illustrations. This is just one page. You can find anything in here. So, let's watch the recording from the session and comment on it a little bit. Everything starts with a circle. I work outwards, catching the flow and following the shape of the body. I'm not focusing on details here, that will come later. I try to be as loose as possible, just playing with the composition. With another color, I work around the initial shapes, creating something a bit more detailed but still very loose. I'm trying to discover what will look interesting in the specific placement. Darren wanted his left pec to be fully covered. We decided to make the main flower symmetrical with extra elements growing out of it. Working with the book as a reference, I was bombarded with ideas. I was looking for some cool leaf shapes and boom! I found gazillion cool leaf shapes right in front of me. By the way, let me know in the comments if you have any other reference books to recommend. I'm always happy to discover a new one and put it on my shelf. Another Sharpie color equals more details. This is the fun part. I have already discovered the shape of the flower, so I can focus on refining it slowly. However, this is not the final stage yet. More Sharpies to come. You have to be patient when working freehand. You can feel pressured by time, but if you do it often, you will become faster and more precise. Just draw a lot in your free time and it will become a second nature to you. It's also a great opportunity to talk to your client and make them feel relaxed. Last stage, main details. I already know how I want this to look, so I'm being as precise as possible. Making sure that everything that is supposed to be symmetrical is symmetrical. You can already see how amazing it looks on him. It's filling up his whole pec, and that was the idea. And voila! Finished design, ready to be tattooed. It took me around 1.5 hours, so not bad. Sometimes the process is faster, sometimes slower, and there isn't much that you can do about it. Let's jump into the tattooing process. I'm not going to interrupt you in here, I want you to enjoy it, and remember to wait until the end to see the finished tattoo. Thank you very much for watching.